Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Machines. If you want to stand out in your SQL interviews and optimize complex queries, today we are going to dive into one of the most powerful SQL functions called rank. By the end of this video, we will understand how rank can be a game changer when analyzing datasets. In SQL, window functions allow us to compute values across a set of rows related to the current row without collapsing the data, like the traditional aggregation functions. And today we will focus specifically on the rank function. Now, what is actually rank function? What does actually rank function do? Simply put, it assigns a rank to each row within a partition of data based on a specified order. It's important to note here that two rows having the same value will receive the same rank, but the rank numbers will skip for the next value. We will understand this with an example that how rank number works and how it is different from other window functions, from other fellow window functions which are used for the same purpose. Let's start with an example. I'm using a pgadmin which is connected to a Postgres, and I have already created an employee table which has three columns, name, department and the salary of an employee. Now as an example, what we are trying to do here is that we have salaries across each department, which is generally here as an example. If you can see, we have HR and IT department. Now let's use that. I have already created the sample rank query, which will help us to rank these employees in each of their departments by their increasing or decreasing salary. Now here we are actually looking at the highest paid employees in each department. Now, if we run this SQL query, and just a quick recap, window function is used along with over clause, and if you want to do a partition, you do a partition on a specific column and an order on a specific, along with the order on another specific column. Now, if we run this, it will give us something like this, and as you can see, it created another column called rank. Eve is ranked first in HR because she has the highest salary, followed by John and Alice. Similarly, Bob ranks highest in IT, followed by Dave and Charlie. The key here is that rank provides the same rank for rows with same values but leaves gaps in ranking for the next distinct value. And we will just understand this here itself with another example. Let's now I would like to create this table again. So let me first drop this table and recreate it again. So drop table employee. I can do an update as well, but let's try to do it, recreate it again. So I have a table created. Now, only difference which I'm gonna make here is that earlier John and Alice were on different prices. Now I will make Alice as well with the same price. Sorry, same salary, not price. So if we run this query, it is going to be the output of this query. Let's see the rows as well. The output of this query shows that John and Alice now have the same salary. Now, if we do rank function here, what happens here is that if you can see, as we mentioned, that rank did give it a sequence, did give it an integer, assigned it a rank, but it ensured that wherever there was a tie, it gave it the same rank. And as you can see, if we would have also introduced here, it is giving John and Alice, which has the same salary, it is giving them 2 as a rank. But if there was a fourth employee in the HR department, let's say that was Robert, who had a salary of 3,000, the lowest of all. Now, if we run it again, now we have Robert also in the HR, and if we run it again, we will see that John and Alice are having the same rank 2, but the other number is skipped. Robert is now with the rank 4 and not with the rank 3. That is how rank works. Rank actually gives the same integer, assigns the same integer to a row which is having a tie, but will skip the next number while assigning the rank to the next row. This is how rank works, and what is the difference between other fellow window functions? Let's go through them now. Let's discuss now how it is different from other fellow window functions. If you are familiar, I have created a separate video on the row number and I explain how row number works. But just a quick recap of that video, that in row number, it actually assigns a unique number to every row while ranking them based on the criteria which you would have specified in the partition and the order by column, regardless of if it will have duplicates or not. Now, dense rank, on the other hand, also does the same thing as rank. The only difference is it doesn't skip the next number. If there are ties, it is going to assign, as we saw that Alice and John were having the same salary and they were given rank 2, whereas Robert was given rank 4 using the rank window function. Whereas in dense rank, the Robert will have actually the rank of 3. So dense rank actually doesn't skip the next number. Now, real world applications when we can use rank is particularly useful when you want to assign rankings based on some criteria and you want to handle ties with gaps, which means you want to skip the next integer and actually assign both the values same and skip the next integer and give the next number to the next row. And this helps you to rank products by their sales performance or rank your other data by a specific order. This is how rank function is important, and it will also help you to identify the duplicates in the data set. So I hope this video helped you to understand another window function today, and if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and like and give a thumbs up. It helps me or it motivates me to create more videos for you. Thank you.